And one way you can actually tell what side it is to kind of do this number in the car when it's safe to do, like on a back road. And whenever I turn left, so more weight is on the right side of the car, it gets louder. And whenever I turn right, so more weight is on the left side of the car, it gets quieter. But there's just a humming sound. I hope you guys can hear it. And that's a really good way to, or that's a way with audio that you can diagnose a wheel bearing, typically a wheel bearing. You can also jack the car up and pull like toward you on the top and the bottom of the tire, and the wheel may have some looseness, which is not normal.